Hello and welcome to Berger Tools. In this video we'd like to demonstrate just a few of our huge range of hand wheels and show you some of the differences between them. Although simple, hand wheels are used in almost every mechanical system, and when attached to a shaft or a spindle they're an easy manual control method. They are used for fluid and gas control, for example in petrochemical industries, water treatment and power plants. They are used on conveyors, on medical machinery, for material handling and packaging, for measuring equipment and machine tool setting, and a million other applications. So we'll look through the different types of hand wheel I have here. Our first hand wheel is GN321, which is an aluminium disc hand wheel. Disc hand wheels are made from one piece of metal or plastic, and because of this they are strong and able to withstand high torques. This version has no handle, although for most hand wheels there are options to have them plain like this or with a fixed or revolving handle. It has an attractive polished rim, and if I turn it over you can see that there are recessed grips to make this ergonomic and to prevent slippage, for example with wet hands. This is a different type of disc hand wheel, GN923. This particular one has a fixed handle. It has a modern design which incorporates a plastic cover here, and this hides the fixings. GN322 is a spoked hand wheel. Again, this is made from aluminium. This particular one has a revolving handle which turns as you turn the hand wheel. The spokes here help to make it a lightweight option, and they allow access to any machinery which is behind the hand wheel. Now, depending on the application, you might prefer to have this easy access, or you might need to have this prevented by using a disc hand wheel. This might help, for example, to prevent tampering. This particular version has a keyway. Here you can see this little slot cut out, and this prevents slippage on a shaft and keeps the hand wheel in one particular position. Here I have a retractable handle version. This is GN924.3. There are a range of different types of retractable handles, but the common feature amongst them is that the handle is sprung, and either has to be held out in position during use, for example like a dead man's handle, and then it retracts when it's released, or it can be locked into either position but is folded away when not in use. They prevent the handle from catching in restricted spaces or on clothing, for example. We also have a full range of safety hand wheels, and they only rotate freely on the shaft and have to be engaged to transmit the torque. Let me just show you how this one works. So it's a little tricky unless it's actually on a shaft, but you can see that I have to pull the handle out to be able to use it, and then once it's out it locks into place. And to put it back into the holding slot I have to pull it upwards like this and then fold it down, and then it stays in place. GN227.6 hand wheels have been designed to be used on valves. They are specially manufactured from a single piece of sheet steel for high strength. They're used to control the movement of gases and fluids, and a typical example could be a fire extinguisher hose. And this little hand wheel here is GN527.1, and it is usually used as a control knob. It is plastic with a blackened steel hub, and these crenulations around the edge provide a good grip, giving accurate adjustment. It can also be used for clamping. This one has a deliberately large bore, giving greater contact face. Aluminium and plastic hand wheels like this reduce weight and perfect for frequent use, but cast iron and steel versions are heavier but withstand higher torques. Stainless steel types are used in demanding conditions where there is exposure to the elements or harsh chemicals, and Berger tools stock all of those different types. Hand wheels may look simple, but they are versatile and durable with precise results. No wonder they're so useful in every industry. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.